You know what this is? This is a QSFP28. This gives us 100 gig Ethernet. So as an example, I could use a fiber cable like this in a computer such as this and get 100 gigabits per second. This is what's known as an MPO connector. So I could connect it directly to this QSFP28 like that. And that once again gives us 100 gigabits per second Ethernet. I could insert that into the computer. So on my computer, I can see that Ethernet 3 is running at 100 gigabits per second. So this computer is connected to a computer below my desk running at 100 gigabits per second. IP address is 192.168.2.201. I've got a KVM switch here that allows me to jump to the other computer. It's also connected at 100 gigabits per second. IP address is 192.168.2.200. So what I can do is run a speed test. And for the speed test, I'm going to use software called iPerf. So I'll run the server on the one computer, and then I'll jump back to the other computer, and I'll run the client software on this computer. So I can use the command iperf-client and send the traffic to the server computer. Now, whenever I do these tests, the recording software slows things down. So I'm going to turn that off. So I'm going to run now without the recording software. And you can see there we're getting about 45 gigabits per second, 48 gigabits per second now, 49 gigabits per second. Total speed 45.5 gigabits per second. I'll run that again. 44 gigabits per second, 47, etc. So 47.1 gigabits per second. So I was hoping to get much better speeds than this, but the issue here is not the network cards, it's these computers, which are a little bit older. These are gaming computers. They don't have the capacity to send and receive at 100 gigabits per second. But as you can see there, we're getting 47 or so gigabits per second. So 46.6 in this example. If you were using a more modern computer than what I'm using here, your speeds would probably be greater than what I'm getting. But the point is that these days you can run 100 gigabits per second in your home network in large environments, in data centers and the like. They run 200, 400, 800 gigabits per second these days. So much higher speeds than what I'm showing here.